A very good morning, welcome back. Moving with the revision part of chapter number 5 acids, bases, and salts. In this, we are going to see about Arrhenius theory of acids and bases, concentration of an acid or a base, pH of a solution, pH of an acid and a base, and salts. So, we have seen and we have gone through the Arrhenius theory first we have seen about the ionic compounds, how they make bond and how the ionic bonds are formed. So, we have seen the example of NaCl. Na have 2, 8, 1 electron in the outermost shell of sodium, whereas Cl, that is chlorine, have 2, 8, 7. So, the last outermost shell of the chlorine and sodium, they combine and form the compound NaCl, that is sodium chloride. Then we have gone through the dissociation of an ionic compounds, how the dissociation takes the dissociation of salt in aqueous solution. So sodium chloride, when it gets dissociated, it forms the Na plus in aqueous solution plus Cl minus in aqueous solution. What is the Arrhenius theory? The Swedish scientist Arrhenius put forth a theory of acids and bases in the year 1887. This theory gives definition of acids and bases as follows. Acid is a substance which on dissolving in water gives rise to H plus ion as the ion cation, for example HCl, H2SO4, H2CO3. And how they dissociate, we have seen all the things in detail. Then moving with the base one, what is the definition given by the Arrhenius? A base is a substance which on dissolving in water gives rise to the OH minus ion as the only anion, for example NaOH, CaOH2. And the dissociation, how the dissociation takes place. What is the classification of acids and bases? We have seen each and every point in detail about the strong acid, the weak acid, the strong base, weak base, and alkali, and how their definitions differ from each other and how they differ from each other. What is the basicity and acidity? Acidity. Basicity of acids. The number of H plus ions obtainable by the dissociation of one molecule of an acid is called its basicity. Whereas acidity of bases is the numbers of OH minus ions obtainable by the dissociation of one molecule of base is called its acidity. What is the concentration of acid and base? The amount of compound present in the aqueous solution is the concentration of acid and bases, and it depends on H plus and OH minus ions. Moving with the pH of common aqueous solutions, the strongest acids is 1 mole of HCl and the strongest base is 1 mole of NaOH. The weak acids, gastric juice, lemon juice, vinegar, tomato juice, black coffee, acid rain, urine, rain milk. These are some, like, they lie in between, like the weak acids, neutral, and the weak bases. Then we have seen about the universal indicator. From 1 to 6, it is acid, whereas 7 is a neutral pH, and from 8 to 14 is the basic one. Then we have seen about the electrolysis and many things in between, about how the CuSO4 they dissociate and how they form layers on the anode and cathode respectively. And we have then electrolysis of water we have seen, and we have ended our chapter in here. I hope this is useful for you all, and all the best for exams, upcoming exams. Thank you.